I'm David Halliday. I'm here at BoatSmith's new facility in West Palm Beach. I'm going to give you a quick tour today. Come on, I'll show you around. We're in front of the shop here today. We have the office space off to my left and our training facility off to our right, and the star of our fleet, the Ariki. I'll show you the boat in progress in the back, and now I'll show you around the shop. Alright, we're getting pretty close to being well set up here. We have our air compressor and our air dryer over here. We're working on our filtering system. Behind me we have our dust collection system, which collects dust from the facility and then deposits it in a trailer ready to be dumped outside. This is our 30-inch Oliver joiner planer. It's a terrific machine built back when Americans built the finest tools in the world, and I guess we still do. This is a Weinig molder. It's our 5-head molder. Over here, this is our Burlington wide belt sander. It's a 30 horsepower beast of a machine. It really makes short work of toothing our product for gluing. Here we have a sharpener to sharpen our molder knives. Off to my right is our joiner shop. It's in quite a state of disarray right now. We're setting it up and moving around, and the whole time we're doing work. It's every day it gets a little bit more organized. Now I'm going to head on back and show you the second tier of our woodworking machinery. Behind me is the trailer where our dust collector deposits all our dust. And off to this side of me we have our secondary dust collector and our straight line rip saw and a really sweet old Oliver joiner. Another wide belt sander. We have a couple of band saws. We have this nice 30-inch Northwood, and then behind me we have a Forester resaw, which is a really kind of a production workhorse of a bandsaw. And then we have a real nice old Oliver 88 table saw. And then everywhere you're going to see piles of wood. That's for one of the projects we're working on. There's some big piles over here. And now I'll go back and show you where we're gluing some of the wood. Okay, the big architectural project that we're working on now involves taking all this cypress and laminating it up into various sizes and shapes. So here we're bucking the pieces to length and then coating them with epoxy. And these tables behind me are set up so that we can clamp lots of pieces together at one time. When they come off the table, we end up with pieces that are nice and long and straight and laminated together. Over here we have the Ariki, which I'm going to show you in closer detail. We'll head on back to the metal and hardware area now. Behind me is our metalworking and mechanical area, and it's a little overwhelmed right now. Remember, we're still just moving in and getting everything set up. But daily it becomes nicer, more wood piled, Ariki parts, and now we're going to go show you the Ariki. Here we are with the flagship of our fleet, the Ariki. These are the first two hulls. We're very excited about them. We're just about ready to attach the decks and the houses and move forward on this one. And next I'll show you a quick shot of some of the fiberglass area where we're putting these together. This is another boat we're building. It's a 32-foot sailing catamaran. It's a Richard Woods Eclipse design. We built this hull on a male mold Now we're going to make this hull just exactly perfect, and then we're going to build a female mold off of this to build the other hull for this boat and subsequent boats from.